Martin said it's a Cuban concert. Wait, did we miss it? Oh, no, right? We didn't miss it, right? Okay. Alright. Heading towards LAPEV Pride Ride event. Let's go. Got green. Thankfully, the sun peaked because it was really gloomy earlier. With that said, let's get this ride started. So this is my, I think, first time that I'm taking out my, this build. It's its final form already, and it's the first time I'm taking it out. I haven't been here in a while. Let's see how many folks we're getting. Kevin's here. And Greg's somewhere here. So a lot of folks are going to ask you about your bike because no, it's not really out in the market yet. It's a Volcon Brat. Volcon Brat e-bike. But yeah, that's my ride today. Finally, my final form. Fake battery tank appears. And then I got the KJ back frame finally to fit the 72 volt battery in there. You made it! You parked far away?
Parked far away, next to a guy who was trying to sell me bolt cutters.
What? Why would someone want to sell you bolt cutters?
I don't know, maybe I look like I'm in a business stealing bikes.
Huh. What's up, Austin?
What's up, old man? Anywhere.
How you doing, man?
Good.
What are you riding today?
Let's go.
With the big speakers?
Yeah.
Is that you? Nice.
Yeah, I did that, but I'm like still learning.
What's up, Gong? How you doing, man?
Yo.
Haven't seen you in a while. Hello, Julian. Oh, nice to meet you.
He's hidden back.
Some Super 73s. What is this? Mantis. Damn, that's electric. It's a full-size dirt bike. Alright, rolling out soon. Let's get it. Pride Ride. That's a really sick mod.
Thank you.
It's a razor body, right? With a different chain stay?
Yeah, everything's custom on this one.
Yeah. What did you have to do to get that large?
It's a long story.
It's welded? It looks welded. Nice, man.
Everything's custom.
This is my Super 73 dirt bike wannabe. I got dirt bike lights, surron front fender, and some kind of a rear fender as well. Thank you. Maybe 70, 80 folks. That's a guesstimate. I guess we're taking the streets first. Alright, I guess we're entering at Pine Avenue Pier. I haven't done this route in a while, so I'm thinking they did some tweaks. I want to say this is probably the slowest ride that I've taken this 72 volt build. It's not used to going slow, and my throttle's always like it's on the sensitive side. It's hard to master, and it always just wants to go. So I'm still trying to master how to go slow and cruise on this bike. Alright, looks like we're braking here at the pier. Maybe for a little bit, I'm not sure how long. Oh, Crystal's all the way here. What do you call that? It's like a skateboard, but with only 2 wheels total. That's a new place. Do they look cool?
Huh?
Does that look cool?
I don't know.
Yeah, oh yeah, first time trying putting the camera there?
Testing it out.
Finally, I could run my bike a little bit. To the streets. This is the funniest horn. There's your girlfriends. You want that helmet? Hello Kitty helmet or something? Thank you, sir. Alright, let's get it. Some ups and downs here. Let's send it. That was kind of fun. These are all really tree ruts underneath. I'm a bike woman. I'm a bike. I was pedaling by you. Don't give me that look. This might be the first kind of hill test for my Super 73, 72 volts. Coming up. So let's check it out. Although it's not too lengthy, I mean it's not too steep, but it's a lengthy, gradual incline. Alright, here we go. First hill test. Let me put 60% throttle. Ready, set, go. Oh, that's not it. Dude, that's like only 20% throttle. And it's killing this hill. I'm really just 20% throttle, and you could see my hand barely moving. I didn't even go like that. Easy peasy. I was worried because it's a hill. It's my first hill. On this bike. Yeah. You had till the end of the ride to approach some of those girls. You got it, man. Just door knock. If it doesn't work with one, then go to the next one. I want to go where the fast bikes go. Let her rip. Let's go. Alright. Last I checked, we did like some kind of group shot here. Last time. Here we go, on Main Street again. On a main street. Martin, you heard that?
1 hour?
You have 1 hour to get your game.
Let's do it.
Good luck, man. It's just like basketball. You'll be fine.
You've done enough training.
You're ready for this. Alright, an hour break, I guess. These rim lights is what I'm talking about. They're sick. Really cool. How much would you pay for those rim lights?
Just the lights?
Yeah.
40 bucks.
What?
40?
40? Per tire?
Yeah.
Yeah, per tire. You didn't have time to put your helmet on?
Everybody took off the...
Yeah. Alright.
Right?
Yeah, I'm gonna ride on sand. Oh, so slippery. Woo. torquey bike. Oh, I feel like I'm ice skating. Yes, sir. Let's go towards the water. Oh, yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Whew. Looks like my bike could handle the sand. That Mantis bike couldn't handle the sand. All the flags need to take a picture. I want to see if Crystal's bike can go on the sand. Crystal, can I see if your bike can handle the sand? Can I see if your bike can handle the sand? Let's try it. Oh, what? Heck yeah. Heck yeah. The Volcon Brat can handle the sand just fine. Sweet. Crystal's gonna love this. It's very it's actually challenging though. Slippery. But I can actually hack it. We can chase seagulls. One of the flags got stuck in someone's motor. Caught me behind. They're still trying to unstuck it, I think. Dang, I think this guy ran out of battery. He's being pushed. I like your lights, man. I like your lights. It doesn't come with a bag, right? It doesn't come with a bag?
No, separate.
So each stick is how much? 14? Oh, that's nice. It's very bright.
I think it's bright a bit. This is the battery.
Nice.
45%.
I like Greg's lights on the backpack. It looks like it kind of, I thought it belonged with the bag. Where are we going? Never been here. Oh, there's fireworks in the distance. Did you guys see that? There's fireworks on the horizon. I'm staying away from Austin, Mr. Bumpin' Thumpin' Music. For, copyright and demonetization purposes. Long Beach Terrace Theater. Some nice lights going on here. And some water fountain works. Waterworks show. Whatever you call it. Whatever you want to call it. Where are we going? Oh, we're just going up. Okay, we're gonna go up a parking structure. Try not to get hit in the arms. Check out my running lights. My running lights are kind of in the bottom, and then my brake lights are that white one right here. This white one right here. I think this is the spiral exit. Let's get it. You. Funsies. Makes you feel like you're in a movie. Scoots. I'm getting dizzy, actually. God dang, how long is this exit? Okay, there. Any more, I would have been nauseated. But pretty cool. Good find. Good route. So after taking a closer look, I'm actually the only 72 volt Super 73 here today. Darn, I thought Rhino would be here, or I thought I would see other 72 volt modified Super 73s, but guess not. Lighthouse time. Hill test. Oh, like nothing. I'm like 10% throttling. Love this bike. Alright, Martin, you got about 5 minutes. Two is all you need. Best of luck. Hope you get digits.
Thank you.
Thanks for hosting. Likewise.
I probably would head out, but it's really good to see you.
Please wish Martin some luck in his quest to finding a girlfriend. Stay tuned for more content. Check out the links in the description below for discounts on a Super 73, an aerial rider, or a DIY bafang kit. See you guys in the next adventure. Peace. You.